a complete hair transformation. I'm gonna be taking you guys from beginning to the end. I am so freaking excited because I am just honestly so sick and tired of putting wigs on. I'm so sick and tired of installing them and the whole process, and my hair right now is in such like an awkward phase to where like I can't really do much to it. Whenever I try to do finger waves, it fails. Whenever I try to use curl products and I try to, you know, make it all cute, it fails. So I'm like, you know what? Let's do something that's gonna be a lot easier on me, and it's also gonna, you know, have my hair protected because I'm gonna have it braided. Let's get a full sew-in. I have not had one of these in the longest time. I think it's been at least 1.5 to 2 years since I've had a sew-in. So I'm super excited to just like put all this away and have some locks. So I'm not getting my hair done until tomorrow, but I wanted to show you guys the hair and what it looks like because I'm actually straightening it right now, and I wanted to show you what the body wave looks like before I actually, you know, mess with it. The reason I'm straightening it is because the frontal that I'm using is straight. So I just want everything to like blend in. So this is what the body wave looks like. It's 18 inches of Brazilian hair. It's from UNice Hair. I've had hair from them before in the past, so I already love this stuff. So like I could tell you already about it. UNice Hair has to be one of the best hair brands I've ever tried in my life. I have been using their hair for over a year now. Minimal shedding, and you also get a lot more hair than some other companies. Different companies that I've got hair from, and they literally give you like half of this, and it's sometimes more expensive or around like the same price. UNice has pretty good deals when it comes to hair, and you also get a lot of it. So I just wanted to show you guys what the body wave looks like before I actually get it installed. This is what it looks like right now. Like I said, I'm just straightening it. So now we're gonna flash forward to tomorrow.
I didn't even think you were gonna be able to braid it. I was like hoping, but she's like halfway through. But this is what my hair looks like right now. So is this like the bonding stuff? Yep. Okay, so here is the final result of my hair. I came outside just so you guys can like see it better. Hopefully you guys can't like figure out where I fucking live. Oh wait, you already did. So this is what my hair looks like. Bitch, what lace. She really did that. I'm super freaking happy. Thank you, UNice Hair, for sending me the hair in the first place because I fucking love it. I will put all the information to the person that does my hair in the description below so you guys can go and book her. She's amazing. This is the first time that I ever do a frontal, so like I've done wigs before obviously, but like a frontal is like a different story. I feel like, I don't know, but I'm excited. So yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to bring you guys on my little hair transformation, show you guys basically how it all happens, because I'm sure some of you don't know how weaves actually work, but you guys got to kind of see like how everything like, you know, happens. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next one, probably tomorrow. Bye. Whatever puts my heart at ease.